In Thailand, the compress is called Lûuk, which means herbal compress. The compress is made into a ball, which is heated with steam and then applied to the aching area of the body. The compress includes herbs that contain essential oils and fragrances, such as lemongrass, turmeric, Plai, Pandan leaves, tamarind leaves, and Kaffir lime peel. The scent of essential oils also helps to rejuvenate the senses. To make an herbal compress ball, start by washing the herbs thoroughly. Then cut the herbs into small pieces. Add salt and camphor and mix together well. Place the mixture in the center of a cloth. 4 corners are joined at the top. Then slowly twist the compress into a beautiful circular shape and secure it with a rope that is knotted. Be sure to leave one end of the rope longer to wrap around the handle. To make the handle, hold the rest of the fabric together and tuck 3 of the loose corners into the remaining corner of fabric and fold the ends down beautifully. Wrap the remaining length of rope completely around the handle and secure with a knot at the top. Doing this will give the compress strength and beauty. It will also be durable and will look neat and tidy. Steam the compress in a steamer for about 15 to 20 minutes, then apply the compress to the body. Firmly place the hot compress on the desired areas, but do not leave the compress in one area for too long, as it can cause scalding. The popularity of herbal compress balls is largely due to their ease of use. The treatment is not complicated and can be extremely effective. In addition to these benefits, natural herbs are easy to find and inexpensive.